I hope you all are doing extremely well. EduTech welcomes you. So today I came up with a content in which Cognizance 360 wrote an article on the Udemy courses. The course name is AWS Concept. Those who want to learn AWS concepts, as this is a 21st sexiest job of the 21st century. Those who want to learn this skill or course can go in this website. The website is in the description box. Go and check it out. Those who want to learn this skill can go to this link. Click here for free course. It will be redirected to udemy.com, by which you can enroll now and complete the course. After completing, you will get a certification which will be added to your resume, which will enhance your career and start a new career from this certificate. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe. I hope you find it useful. Adios amigos.